Zilwaukee Bridge. The Zilwaukee Bridge is a high-level, segmental concrete bridge spanning the Saginaw River in Zilwaukee, Michigan, approximately 5.80 km north of Saginaw, Michigan, United States. The current 8-lane structure, completed in 1988, is the second such bridge at this location, replacing a 4-lane bascule bridge constructed in 1960. The present structure was designed to relieve traffic congestion along the freeway crossing it. The Zilwaukee Bridge is approximately 8,000 feet 2440 m in length and rises 125 feet 38 m at its highest point. History. While the need for a replacement of the original structure became acute soon after it was completed, the construction of the current structure was also plagued with difficulties. Construction began in 1979 with an expected completion date 3 years later, but the bridge was not available for traffic for 9 years. The initial budget of $79 million had already been exceeded by $48 million, when at time in 1982, the bridge was roughly 2/3 completed, and a 150-foot 46 m long segment, weighing 6,700 tons 6,070 metric tons, not being properly counterbalanced, tipped down to being 5 feet 1.5 m out of alignment, with the other end rising 3.5 feet 1.1 m. A pier footing cracked, presumably due to resulting stress. Once repairs were made, a new contractor was hired to complete the bridge once the initial contractor Steven Construction and the state agreed to terminate their contract in exchange for both sides dropping their lawsuits over the accident. The new contractor developed a method of heating the concrete to allow construction during the winter. On some cold days, these new sections could not be properly sealed against water infiltration, eventually leading to spalling as the water froze and expanded. Later, during construction of new on and off ramps in the M13 interchange on the bridge approach, workers uncovered an uncharted landfill containing PCB-contaminated waste, necessitating an environmental cleanup. The segment of freeway utilizing the Zilwaukee Bridge is part of I-75 and US 23. Interstate 675. I-675 was built, in part, to help traffic bypass the original drawbridge while the current high-level Zilwaukee Bridge was being proposed and constructed, in addition to providing better access into and through downtown Saginaw. During bridge maintenance, I-675 is used as a detour route for traffic. During 2014, special custom-made jacks were put into place as a stopgap measure while bearings were replaced. Maintenance. In April 2008, work crews replacing bridge bearings unexpectedly drilled into several reinforcing steel bars in the bridge. The $3 million project was further hindered when crews determined that more than 30 new bearings were not designed properly. MDOT said crews are erecting a steel reinforcement on the exterior of the bridge to ensure that the structural integrity of the bridge remains sound. On October 21, 2008, the bridge opened up to north and south traffic again. On December 7, 2012, the Detroit News reported that a $70 million MDOT program would commence the following April to replace 154 bearings, rebuild 4 miles of I-75. The work was expected to be complete by 2015 and would extend the life of the bridge until 2087.